Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. Hope you people are doing good. Do you want to know about Cartnier reviews? If yes, then watch this unbiased review that will help you to know about the legitimacy of this e-commerce website. As the website is getting attention of online customer and the customer are very curious to know about the legitimacy of this platform. So let's check out the detail. Cartnier.com is a commercial website featuring the broadest range of products. It claims that there are 35 million items on its list. But Cartnier copied the phrases from other sites. So let's check out the product which they have. Kids, men and women clothing, shoes, furniture and household essentials, party, patio and garden supplies, dinnerware, electronics, musical instrument, books, different types of luggage, backpacks, suitcases, healthcare products, toys, sports supplies, school and office supplies, food and grocery. Let's check out the feature of Cartnier. It is HTTPS secure website. They share their email address, contact number and physical address. Owner details are hidden. Social media links are provided. The content is plagiarized. Processing time is about 5 to 7 days and it takes 5 to 7 days for express delivery and 10 to 30 days for standard delivery. As far as tracking of products is concerned, the tracking number will be sent to the customer within 3 to 5 business days. After that, you can track your order. There is $10 cancellation or return charges. Item can be returned within 7 days. As a customer and buyer, you need to pay the return delivery fee. As far as refund policy is concerned, the timeline for refund is not provided. Multiple payment methods are acceptable like Visa card, MasterCard, Amex, net banking and BTS. Positive highlights of the website are user-friendly interface, wide variety of products under one e-commerce site. Negative highlights are JCB and Discover payments are shown as accepted but not excluded in payment policy. 30 days return window is offered on the other page which contradicts its return policy. So the question is Cartnier legit or a scam? It was created on 19 July 2021. Like it is about 4 month and 5 days old website and its expiry is 19 July 2023. Trust score is only 11%, which is considered to be poor. Cartnier is not blacklisted by any blacklist engine. Cartnier transmit data via trusted HTTPS connection. Moreover, the site may contain malevolent script, threats and malware to steal or harm customer device as it scored 8 out of 100 on the suspicious profile. As far as its spam score is concerned, it is 2 out of 100. As far as social media accounts are concerned, Instagram link is not working. There is no content posted on YouTube's Cartnier page. Overall, there are only 3 followers on FB, Twitter and Pinterest. As we all know that customer reviews are a great help for us to check out the legitimacy of any online portal. So we found few YouTube videos which point out that Cartnier may be a scam. There are no review found on other social media site. On reliable website, customer reported that their orders were not delivered and they did not possess a refund. Additionally, customers were unable to reach customer service. There is no provision for product review on Cartnier. It has poor Alexa rank. So in our conclusion, we can say that Cartnier becomes highly suspicious due to customer reviews about undelivered order, unprocessed refund and difficulty in contacting customer service. Additionally, it has poor trust score, high threat profile and it is recently launched website. These factors covered under the review that include that it is not a legitimate site, so we recommend you it's better to stay away from this site. Moreover, if you have personal experience of shopping from this store, please do share your experience and reviews regarding this website. We love to hear from you.